Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with a few things that I picked up here and there and throw in a few things that I already have to make a full face of makeup. Just kind of try some things out, see what I think about them. I'm about to go to my daughter's ice cream social at her school, so we're going to see if we can get ready in time. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, first we're going to go in with our Wet n Wild Color Icon palette in Lights Out, or Lights Off. What is it? It's Lights Off. Alright, let me put back my hair and take my glasses off. And I'm just going to do something simple. I'm going to go in with this shade right here and put that in my crease. I've heard these are good palettes, but we'll see. I didn't prime my eyes or do my brows. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this shade on my outer corner. And I'm just going to throw on this gray on the lid. Alright, I actually just did that in the middle of my lid. I'm going to take this lighter color and put that on the inner part of my lid. I don't know how much I'm liking these shimmery shades, but we'll see how it works out. I'm just going to clean up underneath my eye. First, I'm going to go in with the Milani SPF BFF SPF 30 primer. Use that as my primer. Add some SPF because I don't think we're going to be outside much, but it doesn't help to have as much SPF as you can on, especially in the summer. Okay, and I'm hoping this shade will match me, but I got the Buildable Blur CC Cream from Thrive Cosmetics, and I got the shade Light, and I've seen some people that it's a little dark on them, so we're going to see how it looks on me. Yeah, that's a little darker than I would normally go, but let's blend it in. And I don't think they had like a fair, so I think this is like the lightest shade that they had. Let me take that down my neck a little bit. Okay, and I got they just came out with a new concealer at Thrive Cosmetics. And I got the Biddable Blur HD Creaseless Concealer in Fair Warm. And I think Fair Warm might have been the closest to me that was available. So we're going to try this out. And I'm going to blend that in with my Rare Beauty concealer brush. And I just threw on my number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder just under my eyes. And for bronzer, I had an Amazon order that I needed to add something to so I could get it delivered the next day. You know how you pay $35, they'll deliver it the next day or whatever. I found the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but this is the light bronzer. So I'm going to try it out and see what I think about this shade. Because sometimes the bronzer shade can be a little deeper depending on, but with this darker foundation, well no, it's picking up pretty good. And I'm going to go under my chin. And I'm going to go down my neck. So far I like that shade. I think that might be my new shade in Butter Bronzer. And I'm going to go in just with my Lottie London Ombre Blush in Serene, just because it's here. And I'm going over my nose. And I'm going to use my Sungasm bronzer from Catrice. I mean, not bronzer, highlighter. I'm going to put a little bit of my outer corner shade that I use underneath my lash line. And I'm just going to put the Sungasm I wanted to say bronzer again, but highlighter on my inner corner. I'm going to pop on my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I'm not sure where I got this, but I'm going to put on the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Crush. And I'm going to put on the Milani Make It Last Sunscreen Setting Spray with SPF 30. Oh. The little nozzle keeps popping off. Alright, well this is my final look using some new and used products. The Wet n Wild Color Icon palette, I like it. The shimmers aren't as bam as I like them to be, but it is a little just quick, one and done, simple, inexpensive palette. So if you're interested in it, I say go ahead and pick it up. It's I really like the way the matte's blended. I really liked it. It just, the shimmers aren't as bam in your face. They just aren't super shimmery at all. So it's very, very subtle. So, but I do like it. I do think that it was a good buy, especially since I got it on sale. The Milani SPF BFF, I do like. It's it's moisturizing, but it also has that extra SPF that I like to add into my routine. So the Buildable Blur CC Cream by Thrive Cosmetics, I like it. The shade's a little off, but now that everything's done, it looks fine. So I'm excited to have this and keep trying it, but so far I like it a lot. It covers decently well. I would say about a medium coverage. And it actually has SPF in it too. It has SPF of 35 in it. So I got all kinds of SPF going on. The concealer I really like. I think it covers well. I'd have to say it's medium to full coverage. I really like it. I like the color. I think it looks good on the under eyes, so that was a really good pickup. And the bronzer, I really like the shade of this. I think if I'm not wanting to go too bronzy, I think this is good. And also, it also helps with if I go a little too ham, then it's not going to be too bold. So I'm really glad that I picked up this shade in the Butter Bronzer. And I like this liquid lipstick too. I think it looks really pretty. I'm not sure how great it goes with this look, but I think it does look pretty. So I think we had a win today. Everything was perfect. Oh, the Make It Last. I love Make It Last, and the fact that it has sunscreen in it so I can reapply if I need to is perfect. I love that. So yeah, I think everything was a win. I think everything turned out great. So I'm super excited to get to go to this ice cream social and be antisocial. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I think that's going to be all for me today. I hope you're staying happy, staying healthy, and taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.